Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you a quick demo of how to get started with Tricentis Analytics. We'll take a look at what resources you need to use Tricentis Analytics, where you can find them, why you should use Tricentis Analytics, and how to link it to your Qtest instance. The Tricentis Analytics template contains 10 out-of-the-box reports to get you started with reporting on your Qtest project. Tricentis Analytics is now live and available for all Qtest Cloud customers and is compatible with Microsoft Excel for Windows. So let's get started. To begin, navigate to dev.tricentis.com. Here you can find a variety of different objects that you can use to build your reports. This includes all major objects: requirements, test cases, builds, defects, test runs, and so on. If the object is important to report on, it exists within the Tricentis Analytics API. One very important object to consider is the defects test run logs. This is an API endpoint you would interact with when you want to see all of your test cases that are associated to test runs, and of these, which are linked to defects. Another important object is execution summaries. This endpoint will allow you to report over the latest execution results. On the top of the dev.tricentis.com page, you can find a couple of useful links. The first one leads to the Tricentis Analytics documentation. Here you can find a variety of user guides, the official manual, as well as a quick start guide to help you set up your Tricentis Analytics in a few easy steps. The other link directs you to download the Tricentis Analytics Excel template. When you click on the link, you'll be redirected to the download section of the Tricentis support portal. Here, you can search for Tricentis Analytics v2.0 and download the file to your PC. We're now ready to set up our Tricentis Analytics Excel template. Open the template, enable editing and content, and navigate to the Test Summary tab. Here you can see the Analytics URL field. In this field, you'll need to enter the desired endpoint to run your reports. To access the link, firstly, you'll need to log into dev.tricentis.com to access the data source endpoint. This can be done simply by clicking on the Get Started button. Enter your Qtest credentials, as well as your Qtest workspace URL to log in. Now that the correct data source endpoint has appeared, simply copy the endpoint URL and paste it into the Analytics URL field on your Excel template and click on Connect. If you're prompted for credentials, please use your Qtest credentials to create a valid session between the Analytics API and the Excel template. After you've connected, the reports will begin to populate with the data from the Qtest instance with which you have integrated. Thank you for watching.